Welcome back to Verge News, your go-to source for the latest updates on immigration policy and stories shaping the world. Today, we're diving into comments made by Donald Trump regarding Prince Harry's immigration status and his sharp critiques of Meghan Markle. Joining me, as always, is my co-host, Michael. Michael, how are you?
I'm good, Sarah. This intersection of celebrity, politics, and immigration law is fascinating, and the latest developments have stirred even more debate. Let's get into it.
Absolutely. On February 9th, Donald Trump spoke with the New York Post, addressing Prince Harry's ongoing immigration scrutiny. Trump dismissed the idea of deporting Harry, but pivoted to critiquing Meghan Markle. He described her as terrible and said the Duke of Sussex has enough problems with his wife. Quite a sharp statement, wouldn't you say?
Definitely, Sarah. Trump's comments come against the backdrop of a legal challenge filed by the Heritage Foundation, which is seeking Prince Harry's immigration records. The foundation argues that his public admissions of past drug use in his 2023 memoir, Spare, may have violated U.S. visa rules. They're pushing for transparency to ensure equal enforcement of immigration laws.
Right, Michael. And this has raised broader questions about whether public figures, like Harry, might bypass standard checks that ordinary applicants face. Judge Carl Nichols is currently reviewing whether portions of Harry's immigration records can be disclosed without violating privacy protections. He's hinted that a partial release might be possible.
Exactly. The Heritage Foundation insists that accountability is key here, arguing that no one should be above the law, no matter how famous. One of their spokespeople, Niall Gardner, underscored this, saying it's about fairness and consistency in U.S. immigration law.
But Trump's stance seems to have softened compared to his 2024 campaign rhetoric, where he suggested appropriate action should be taken if Harry lied on his forms. This time, he's taken a more hands-off approach, saying he doesn't want to pursue deportation efforts.
And he contrasted that with praise for Prince William, whom he called a great young man. It's clear Trump is aligning with more traditional figures in the royal family while doubling down on his past criticisms of Meghan Markle.
Interestingly, Trump's remarks do tie into a larger conversation about transparency and fairness in immigration processes. If Harry's records reveal discrepancies, it could set a precedent for scrutinizing other high-profile immigrants.
And if they don't, it could reinforce the robustness of immigration enforcement as it stands. Either way, there are significant stakes here, not just for Harry, but for public trust in the system.
It's certainly a unique case, blending personal drama, public policy, and high-profile legal challenges. While Judge Nichols deliberates, this story will remain in the spotlight.
Absolutely, Sarah. And Trump's sharp words about Meghan, combined with the legal scrutiny, guarantee this discussion is far from over.
We'll keep following this closely. That's all for today's episode of Verge News. Thanks for tuning in, and for more updates on immigration news, visit us at visaverge.com.